everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for January 2021. As I pondered the topic for this month's code, I was reminded that January sets the tone for the rest of the year. So I decided to look to numerology for our code. In numerological terms, 2021 whittles down to the number 5. So what does the number 5 mean? What power does the number 5 carry? And how can it help us in setting ourselves up for the next 12 months? The number 5 carries the energy of the expression of personal freedom and approaching that personal freedom with wit and a sense of adventure. It's all about not being bullied. It's about finding and following your own truth while expressing it free from the concerns of competition or judgment, because competition and judgment are two of the things which limit creativity and thus your personal freedom. So let's get right to it. Let's install the Anahata Code for the number 5. First thing I'd like you to do is get comfortable in your chair and breathe. And if you know how to ground, I'd like you to go ahead and ground. If you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine, down by your tailbone, and wrap a cable cord wire waterfall around the base of your spine, and the other end of it drop all the way to the center of the earth and plug it in. This is how we release. And then back at the base of your spine, I'd like you to create a switch that says release and flip it to the on position. And put the commandment, the intention, into that switch and that grounding cord, that it's going to release from your space anything that is not yours or no longer serves you. Any energy that is not yours or no longer serves you. Just release it down the grounding cord. Suck it out just like a Hoover. And then come on up to the center of your head, that's behind your eyes and between your ears, and just create a little nook in there for yourself, a little safe space from which to work. This is a place where we can be neutral to the energy that is being flailed at us and that we are releasing. We can just go, bye-bye, you're not mine, bye-bye. And then there's a position that we take with our body to get it involved in the process that we use to bring in the codes and amplify the intention. So right-handers, left-handers, it's a little different for both. I'd like you to take your right hand, right-handers, and put it in the center of your chest, right on your heart chakra. This is going to be your delivery hand, how the codes get into your energetic space, right through your heart chakra. And the left hand, your non-dominant hand, becomes your antenna. So you can go ahead and put that up in the air. Antenna hand and delivery hand, okay? And then for lefties, switch it. Dominant hand, your left hand goes on your heart chakra, center of your chest, and your right hand becomes your antenna to capture the codes. Now, as I read off the codes, I'd like you to picture a code coming directly from source, which means it doesn't have any energy on it other than the energy that's embodied in the code. There's no person's energy on it. There's no conceptual energy on it. There's no foreign energy on it of any kind. It's just purely the energy of the code. Let it come into your antenna hand and then across your body, across your shoulders, down your other arm, into your delivery hand, into your heart chakra. And then picture the codes swirling around your space and aligning with your version of the code, because we have all these codes in us already. So when it finds your code, it'll align with your code and begin to bring it up to full strength. Okay? And that's what we want. So right-handers, left-handers, put your dominant hand on your heart chakra and the other hand in the air like an antenna. And here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for the number 5. 0, 5, 0. 0, 5, 0. 0, 5, 0. 0, 5, 0. 0, 5, 0. 0, 5, 0. 0, 5, 0. One more for good luck. 0, 5, 0. And close up the installation by putting both hands on the heart chakra. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Whew. Well, that code just slid right in. Great way to start the new year. To better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my February 2019 monthly presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And remember, there are assisted installs of codes every week right here on YouTube. So please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Quantum Healing Code Carriers Facebook group for even more weekly codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's and year's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.